super stoked about it because we're filming everything. You as subscribers are going to be able to have first row seats for all the things that we've done, and all the products, the tools, the tips, the tricks, the stylings, the methodology, everything. Hello, my name is Nathan Giffin, owner of Vertical Artisans. Over the last 2 decades, I have been filming, teaching, and consulting professionals on an amazing craft of vertical decorative concrete. I want to share with you our most recent developments and offers. We have just launched Vertical Artisans 3.0 and have done away with the limited time frame previously offered. Our courses are now available 24/7, 365 days a year until the global internet crashes. First off, we are introducing the new updated foam core construction course called Waterfalls, Mountains, and Hardscapes. Large and small projects that have spanned over the last decade. The course features include design ideas, building with 2-scale clay models to help with sales, scalability, and instant changes without sophisticated software and platforms. But most of all, to those clients that have no vision, most need to see it, then they get it. Also, tips and tricks for efficiency. All products and equipment manufacturers are revealed for easy reference. Industry tools, and even how to make your own tools with raw materials easily sourced. These large-scale waterfall project overviews include a front row seat to hands-on classes filmed in Chicago, Dallas, St. Louis, Dallas, Livingston, Louisiana, Nashville, the north side of Chicago, and the Quad Cities, where we have just completed our largest 125 billet waterfall to date, and a secondary 90 billet waterfall is still ongoing. There are other waterfalls and various hardscapes also included in this course. But something to consider. To attend all these hands-on classes, you would have had to have spent a minimum of $35,000 in class fees, travel, auto rentals, lodging, food, beverage, and that's not including the time away from your current job that you would have to have taken off just to attend. Even if you are a $300 a day guy working out of your garage, that would add another $20,000 plus to your investment of hands-on education expenses. Now you're over $50,000 in value for teachings, methods, insights, tips and tricks of the trade, and best of all, an actual pathway to success that is all available to you for $14.95. There is no other service like Vertical Artisans that offers a more complex and exhaustive teaching experience than that which is found on Vertical Artisans. When we launched our service at the World of Concrete in 2008, we started with 35 core curriculum videos in total. Now we have over 1,000 video teachings giving you the best in education today in this field. We have also never changed our name, we've never changed our number or our websites due to disgruntled customers. Ever. Our name and reputation is paramount, and we strive to offer the best service in the marketplace, bar none. Vertical Artisans is the only teaching site that continues to consistently influence the world of vertical decorative concrete by producing quality, ardent students of the craft. Thank you for your time, and from all of us at Vertical Artisans, I hope this finds favor with you, and above all, I wish you all peace and prosperity. This is something that has been long awaited. There was a lot of planning that went into this, and super excited to kind of roll this thing out.